Hi everyone, it's Cherry Boo. It's Cheryl. How you doing? I'm here with another BoxyCharm unboxing. It's February and I love it. Now, my eyeshadow is from the Ciate palette from last month with BoxyCharm. I'm using every single thing in that box and everything is awesome. So if you have wondered about whether to use it or not, trust me, it's well worth it. I'm gonna see if I can get a coupon code to put in the description box for you. And actually, I think I automatically get one just for the fact that I'm a BoxyCharm member. Now, here's my box. Proof I've got it. Now, it has 5 items. And I can't wait, because I've been waiting just to see you so I can share this with you. I've had it for almost a week, but I wasn't feeling well, so my allergies, yeah, they're bad. But, being home, it doesn't help. So, as you see the card, and they always let you know what you're getting inside, which is so awesome. I hope you saw that. So, the first item up is the Brow Bar by Rima. Bombshell Brow Kit. The Bombshell Brow Kit is the most luxurious brow kit ever made. So, they're claiming that. The Golden Goddess of all brow kits. The chic, sleek, compact includes tweezers, brow pencil, 2-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. $40 MSRP. So, let's look at that. It's called the Golden Goddess. And who doesn't want to be a Golden Goddess? I do. So, here we are. Just look at the box alone. Oh my goodness. Look at that pretty box. I have to take my allergy medicine. I didn't want to get sleepy. But, oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? Oh my goodness, don't look at my yogurt. That was my lunch. But, wow, now that is beautiful. That's a beautiful compact. I'm not kidding. Okay. Now you have a little button here, so I'm going to push that. You see that? Ooh, it has a mirror. Okay, I'm going to cover the mirror because that's a little too much glare. Look at that. You have it's gold inside also, so you have your pencil. You have your tweezers and your double-sided spoolie. You have your black brow. Please don't mind my nails. My daughter's supposed to be doing my nails for me. Black brow color. Your dark brown eyebrow color. Your highlighter and your concealer. Now, I usually don't use a concealer, but maybe I'll use it just for this kids because it seems kind of cute. Okay. Now, that's the first item. Look at that. Who doesn't want to put that in their pocketbook? Okay, I do. I do. Now, I don't carry stuff like that with me because once I put stuff on, I'm done. But the next item is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Now, I don't have a problem with that. I don't have an issue with that because my oily skin and I tend to use alcohol to cleanse it just to clear my pores out. So I tend to not have an acne problem, but it says, got pores, get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. MSRP $32. Now that's a bit much. I tend to use the store, the brand name apricot scrub. They're not paying me to say the name, so I'm not going to say the name. But I tend to use that with no problem because the heavy oils on my skin. But, oh, I took it out the box already. Okay, it's right here. The Tula So Poreless. But I'm still going to use it because I do have an issue when it comes to my pores looking enlarged because of the oils. Now, I can't wait to see what it looks like. So it has a little foil piece right here. Just peel that back. And, ooh, nice. Ooh, that feels good. It has some oils to it, like that. I'm not sure how it'll do for my oily skin, but I'm going to try it. Okay. And I'll let you know because everything from last month, I tell you, I have definitely used every bit. I love everything from last month. Now we have the Prestige Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. It says an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Ooh. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid, but provides pencil precision. And that's a $44 price tag to it. And that's what we have here. Okay, let's see what this contraption looks like. You notice, you see that? I'm gonna close my eyes. See that? Prestige. Now, here's the pencil. And it says it glides on. I don't know about all of that. Okay, maybe I'm not doing something right. Maybe I'm not doing something right. But it does say what? It says eyeliner. Okay, it's a whole bunch of stuff on this box. I don't even know. We're going to have to talk about that later. Okay. And then here's the eyelash curler. And I'm telling you now, my eyelashes are so tiny. Can you see this nonsense? They're so tiny, but I'm glad I have eyes. You know, I can't complain. Okay, and it has a little piece back here you pull down where you crimp your eyelashes. But mine are so short, I don't even know if they'll fit. Okay, I need some fake eyelashes just to use this. But, I shall review it with no lashes, just about. My daughter's eyelashes are much longer than mine, so I might use that on her. And this one right here, Saint Luke's. Actually, that's the last one. Lumiere, Pink Luxe, Glitter Eye Brush. Ooh, collection. Okay, it's in this pink pouch right here. And that's my favorite color. So it says glittery, enchanting, and fun. The set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft dual synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. And it's funny, I'm glad it says synthetic. I know people tend to like the mink hairs and all of that stuff, but it actually makes me itch. I'm allergic to all of that stuff. So like the little animal hairs, I just can't do. So yeah, I need synthetic brushes. And this is $29.95, which I think is a great price. And I'm not one that tends to use brushes, but I'll tell you this. I'm going to try each and every single one. Just the fact that it's in pink. I'm going to try it. And I love these. Oh, these are so cute. The pink metallic. You see that? The pink metallic. And guess what? I'm going to show off in the street just having these. Get out of here. That's cute. So it's like you have a little eyeshadow brush. You have 2 defining brushes. And I guess, well, I have no idea. And then you have another fluffy one. Wow. Okay. Those will definitely get used. And like I said, just for the fact they're pink, I'm putting them in my pocketbook. It doesn't make a difference. That and that glam brown gold box. Yeah, I'm keeping that in my pocketbook. Saint Luke's Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. It says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. And I always use lip liner. I'm sorry, my mother always told me to use lip liner. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. MSRP $40. Now that's got to be some kind of lip liner for me to spend $40, because I tell you, I do just fine with lip liners from Dollar Tree. I really do, because their lip liners are all nice and soft, and I don't see a need to spend $10 if I can spend $1. But they're very pretty colors. One is entitled Love Letter, which is a light brown, and the other is entitled Secret Admirer. That's a darker brown. So that's for your lips. Hopefully you can see the difference. This bottom one tends to have more of a maroon look. Okay. This one For some reason, I guess it's dropped. Okay, that's not coming up. And then we have this one. Very pretty. Actually, that would actually go, I think, perfectly with the lipstick I have on now. Wow. That's very pretty. Ooh, okay, I gotta use that. And all of these, like I said, I'm gonna review the first box probably tomorrow. And then we're gonna try all of these things. And the good thing about the other things, you know, some of the other things that are in this box this month are kind of like showy. So I kind of like that too. Because, you know, when you pull things out of your pocketbook, you do want them to look nice. Not to just have a compact, but something that looks, you know, exclusive and shiny and bright. And I truly believe this is the winner for today. This brow bar is the winner for today. But anyway, my little cherry pies, thank you so much for listening and tuning in. Well, I thank you so very much. And I tell you, I think I'm close to 300, but at 400, I don't know. Let's do a giveaway. I could definitely have lots of stuff that I could give away that's like great stuff. Let's see. Comment, like, subscribe. I would definitely love some comments on what you think about the things, the items in the box. And hopefully I have the little discount code. But please try BoxyCharm. It is so good. I'm so upset I haven't tried it all this time. But I thank you so very much. And I will even put, you know, well, once you connect to BoxyCharm, you'll see everything there, you know, with pricing, because they do have different prices for things. So thank you, my little cherry pies. Have a great evening. Mwah, mwah, mwah.